of the soil, remember. The spear was forged to defend the people, not to wound the brother beside you. From the hills of KwaZulu the thunder rose. Shaka walked barefoot where the wild wind blows. Eyes like fire, heart carved in stone. He united the tribes, made the nation one. Not for hatred, not for greed, but to plant one flag from a wounded seed. Now the streets cry, smoke and pain. Africans fighting Africans again. The Zimbabwean brother runs in fear. Mozambican mothers wipe silent tears. Yet the blood in our veins sings the same old song. How did the children of Shaka go wrong? Lift the shield, not against your own. Africa's children must stand as one. No foreigner on African land. We were born from the same black sand. Shaka's spear was forged for pride, not to divide, divide, divide. Ubuntu calling through the night. I am because we unite. Hey! Johannesburg fires under neon skies. Hey! Politicians feed us desperate lies. Hey! Pointing fingers at the poor man's door, while the rich grow rich from the miners' war. Hey! Remember the chains on Robben Island. Remember how Mandela kept us standing. Freedom came through many hands, from Congo rivers to Tanzanian lands. A Somali trader with hope in his chest. A Malawian worker trying his best. If Shaka stood here, spear in hand, he'd say, protect every African. Hey! We do not turn back. We are one. Hear the cry. Let no African child die. Raise the shield, let hatred fall. The motherland has room for all. From Durban shores to Limpopo rain, one Africa shall rise again. Shaka spirit in the thunder calls. No more borders between these walls. Burning like morning sun. Many nations, but we are one. A spear that protects the people, no, 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 is stronger than 1,000 flames of hate.